Hi and welcome to our next instalment of our rental renovation series. As promised, we're going to show you how to change this double glazed unit. Now we believe it's failed because the glass is sat on the bottom of the frame and water can collect there. It rots through the seal at the bottom and it blows. That's what we think has happened. Anyway, I'm going to show you how to take it out, how to measure it up and how to replace it. The tool I like to use for taking these beads out is a nice flat scraper like this. I don't like to use a screwdriver, anything that's too small, because when you get it in there and prise it apart, it's going to mark the plastic and we don't want to do that. So I like to use these slide in the gap, give them a little hit and a twist and they should come out. Normally the beads are placed in the top and the bottom ones go the full length, they're longer, and the side ones are cut shorter, so it's best to take out the side pieces first. We'll just take these out and I'll remove the glass and yeah, just carry on. These seals have actually already been taken out. We took these out to measure the glass. You could measure the glass from the inside of these bead and add 10-15 mil either side, but if you're not too sure, the best thing to do is pop the bead off, measure the glass, go and order the glass, put the bead back like we're doing. These have been marked, so they go back in the right place. Already been marked when we took them off. This is left hand side, arrow pointing up. So that's that one. This one's already been taken out. So we've got our glass in there. It's sat on those packers that it came with. Oh, I'm just going to lift this up because that's got stuck underneath. So now it's just time to put these back in. I'll go for the top one first. And they can be tricky. Don't try and feed it up inside the groove first. You place it just over the top and you hammer it into place. Using one of these soft-ended hammers. There you go. Just go around. Oops. The same all the way around. with these end beads, it's always best if you get the top and the bottom in first, and then work your way towards the middle, and they'll push themselves out, spread out. That's it. Right, so there we are, job done. Very simple job to do. Almost cheaper than a window cleaner. It cost us £45 to get that for the glass. A bit of time in waiting for it to be ordered. Thing that we did order was we ordered the glass at the right thickness, the right size, and also you get to choose what they call the spacer bar. So you just look around your house and make sure, or the other windows, make sure you get the same one. We've got a silver spacer bar. This one's a 28mm unit. Of course, we took the glass out and we measured it with the tape measure, and we put it back, went to order it, and then here we are, we're done. So there we are, real simple job, very basic tools. We couldn't have kept that glass and rented it out. It just looks disgusting without it, but this looks fantastic, as it should done. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for some more little tips and tricks on this mini series we've got of renovating a rental. Like, share and subscribe. Subscribe!